Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. One of the hardest lessons we learn in life, just because you're good to someone doesn't mean they will always be good to you. And honestly, this lesson hurts a lot because when we genuinely care about someone, we automatically expect them to care about us in the same way. So, if we remember their birthday, we expect them to remember ours, right? So, if they are going through a difficult time, we will be there for them. So, we think they will be there when we need. True, right? So, if they tell us a secret, we protect it. So, we assume they will protect ours too. But life slowly teaches us something very, very, very important. Don't expect yourselves from other people because not everybody has your heart. Sometimes the person you always check on will never ask you, are you okay? Sometimes the person you helped when they had nothing may completely forget you when their life becomes better. Sometimes you will sit and listen to someone's problem for hours, and when you have something to say, they won't even have 5 minutes of you, and that really hurts, right? You start asking yourself, what did I do wrong? But maybe you didn't do anything wrong. Maybe you just expected loyalty from someone who was never capable of giving it. Being a good person doesn't mean everyone around you is a good person. You can love someone genuinely and they can still hurt you, and you can be loyal to someone and they can still betray you. You can support someone and they still secretly compete with you. Yes, sometimes even people who smile with you may not be happy about your happiness. And I'm not saying this to make you suspicious of everyone. There are genuinely beautiful people in this world. There are friends who will celebrate you, family members who will stand by you, and people who will love you without any hidden reason. But we need to learn to pay attention to actions, not just words. Because words are easy. Anyone can say, I'm always here for you, I love you, or you can trust me. But who actually shows up when your life is falling apart? Who is genuinely happy when you succeeded? Who respects you when they don't need anything from you? Who talks to you with the same respect when you're not useful to them anymore? When you really understand who belongs in your life, that is when you understand what is good for you. And please don't keep chasing people just because you have a long history with them. Just because someone has been in your life for 10 years doesn't automatically mean they deserve to stay forever. Sometimes we hold on to people because we are attached to the memories. But memories and relationships are not the same thing at all. Someone can have been important to your past and still not be good for your future. And that's okay. You don't have to hate them, take revenge, or explain yourself to everyone. Sometimes growing up simply means learning to step back and giving people the same energy they give you. Not because you're becoming cold, but because you're finally understanding that your heart also deserves protection. So, if you have been hurt by someone you trusted, don't let that experience turn you into someone who cannot trust anyone. Just become wiser, love people, but Observe them, help people, but don't destroy yourself trying to save everyone. Be kind but have boundaries. And most importantly, when people show you who they really are, believe them, because not everyone you loses you deserve to find you again. Some people are lessons, some people are memories, and only some people are meant to stay. So stop expecting everyone to love you the way you love them. The right people won't make you constantly question your place in their life. And until you find those people, learn to become someone who never abandons yourselves. Because the biggest lesson in life is not learning how to keep everyone happy, it is learning who is truly worth keeping. I hope you learned something from this, and if you like it, please do subscribe, and we'll get back to you with the next lesson tomorrow. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.